Okay, quick little video here just to show how to replace a clamp set. So we've got the clamp handle, washer, the clamp itself, and then a spring on the other side. And then this is what resides in the hinge itself. This is a little nut, and you'll see that there are these two flats on either side. Those correspond with flats recessed into the hinge there. So we'll have to make sure that that's aligned as we put it in. The only other thing to mention is before we install it, it's worth putting some grease on the bolt here. Okay, so I'll put a bit of grease on there, and then I'm just going to pass, first of all I'm going to pass that through and just put the nut on the other side. Give it a few turns just till it's in like that, and then you can see I can use the clamp handle to align it and then just pull it out. And I can see that that nut is then sitting inside that little recess there. Okay, and that's it.